Hello, everybody. Dr. Rick Wallace here, dropping in on you. I hope that everybody has had an unbelievable week as you wind down your week and you enter into your weekend. I hope that you can look back and see uh, that you've reached some goals that you've set, that you've made some progress, that you can see things developing as you desire them to be. Now, even if you can't immediately or easily see progress, that's no reason for you to sit up and feel defeated or to throw your hands up and give up. This is about perseverance. This is about how far you're willing to go, how long you are willing to be committed to achieving your desired goals in life. The one thing that I tell all of my clients when I'm interviewing them in the initial process is that success isn't necessarily so much about your plan, about your resources, about who you have on your team. It's about your psychology. It's about how committed you are. It's about how far you're willing to go within the confines of morality and ethics to achieve the desired result. I tell people all the time, I have 7 degrees, but that's not why I'm successful. I've written 24 books. That's not why I'm successful. I've done so many speaking engagements I can't even count. I've written so many prose articles, so many scholarly articles that I stopped counting a long time ago. I've been paid to write content, create content. I've been successful in starting and launching more than 46 businesses to profitability over the last 30 years. I've had some unbelievably great moments. I've had some tough moments. I've been down. I know what it feels like to hit rock bottom and have to climb out. I know what it means and I know how to overcome it. But at the end of the day, people ask me, well, it's because you did this, it's because you have this, it's because, no, I have all those things because of this one thing. This one word defines why I'm successful. I'm relentless. The word is relentless. I take action, I commit to things, and I don't give up. Once I decide that I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it or I'll die trying. Those are my options. It's not how smart I am, it's not how well connected I am. Matter of fact, all of that comes from perseverance. It's just when I'm told no, it's not the end of the world. I keep going until I find the yes. When I don't see an opportunity, I create one. It's that simple. Why am I so hyped and excited right now? It's because every so often I get to pull this one out of the closet, and it's obviously my most in demand offer, and it is the rapid change breakthrough offer. For those of you who have kept up with me and either worked with me, you know that my packages range anywhere from 12 weeks to a year for personal counseling, coaching, consulting, and that ranges anywhere from about 2,500 to $10,500, depending on where you fall in. Business consulting starts at around 25 grand, but every so often I pull this out because there are people I want to reach that may not be in a position to afford me, but that can benefit from what I do in rapid change. Rapid change is an encounter with me that normally happens in about 1 to 3 sessions. I am offering a three session rapid change breakthrough program. I do this very rarely, but for the next day, it's for a day only. For the next 24 hours, for a day only, I'm offering it. And for the total price of 153 sessions, one session with me costs on average $350. If you just want one session, you want to sit down and we get something out of that. I don't offer anything that I don't provide in excess value. In other words, if I'm charging you $350, you're gonna get more than $350 value out of it. So I have no problems or qualms with what I charge, but I also have this yearning passion to help people who may not see the value yet or who see the value but simply cannot afford it. I want to work with people like that. I want to reach people. I want to touch lives. I want to see the excitement of what it feels like to make a step towards progress so emphatic that you know you're moving. And that's why I offer this. So for the next 24 hours, for one day, I'm offering it again. Don't know when it'll be back after that, but I'll pull it out periodically. But as for right now, you have a day to take advantage of this. That's 3 sessions with me that comes with a specified plan based on what it is you want to accomplish. Each one of these are going to be individualized. This is no cookie cutter encounter. You're going to tell me what specifically it is you want. We're going to determine where you're at, and we're going to determine how you're going to get there. And then ultimately, we're going to determine the first step that you're going to take. And we're going to launch that step by the third session. And that's what a rapid change is. It's saying, okay, this is what I need to do, and I'm taking the first step. So many people know what to do, but they won't take the first step. They're fearful of failure. They're fearful of what other people think. They're fearful of so many things that they sit there and they don't move. We are going to take action. I want to work with you. If you want to see a change in where you're at, whether it's in your finances, whether it's in your business, whether you want to start a business, whether it's in your relationships. I deal with racial relationships. I do relationship counseling and consulting. If it's in your relationship, if it's in your parenting, whatever it is, if you want to see a better result, you want to see change, let's make it happen. On that note, I'm going to step off of here. I'm excited about this. Like I said, I don't do it often, but right now you can do this for a fraction of what it would normally cost to work in a one-on-one capacity with me. And I promise you, you'll see why I have clients that readily pay for the platinum package, which is $10,500. You'll see why people are lining up and in preparing to work with yours truly. And I'm excited about working with you. What I will promise you is you will not get some cookie cutter setup. You will not get some diminished capacity BS. I'm going to treat you like any other paid client. I'm going to give you my full attention. I'm going to give you my full capacity as far as knowledge and access. We're going to make something special happen in your life. There's absolutely no one who cannot benefit from this. And on that note, I'm going to get out of here. The information for you to enroll will be listed in wherever this video is posted. It's time to make a move. On that note, I'm out of here.